Welcome to Relax Conceptation. This audio file was created to bring you into a deep state of mind where all the affirmations which you will hear drift into your subconscious mind and change your reality forever. These affirmations are really strong and will create long-term changes to your thought patterns. Now relax and enjoy the ride while you listen to these affirmations. Listen to this recording in the morning after waking up will have the best and strongest effects because your subconscious mind is still sleeping. Your subconscious mind will absorb all the affirmations and your life will start to change. Listen to this recording a few times a week while doing anything and you will see the results soon. There are no limits to what I can and will achieve. I am worthy of the wealth I desire. I am grateful for the money I have. I am a money magnet. Wealth and abundance flow to me. I am open to receiving money. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I spend money only on things I love. I am generous with my money. I am a great giver and an excellent receiver. Money is drawn to me. I deserve to make more money. Everything I touch turns into gold. I think about money positively. Money is openly flowing into my life. I release all blocks and allow wealth to flow in. Money is abundant to me. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. I change the world with my money. The universe will always serve my best interests. I have a positive money mindset. Attracting money comes easily to me. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I am debt-free because money is constantly flowing into my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. I accept and receive unexpected money. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. I release all negative energy over money. All the money I have brings me joy. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. Every day I choose money and wealth. I embrace new avenues of income. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I am open to receiving money in my life. I release all resistance to attracting money. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I get rich doing what I love. I am worthy of financial success. I am an excellent money manager. I believe there is enough money for everyone. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I attract money happily in my life. I always have enough money. I am financially free.